Now, those of you who keep using lightening products on your skin 247 and you don't stop, you don't try to maintain the skin complexion, what are you up to? Like, tell me, what's your agenda? What are you up to? You want to destroy your skin? Please, you need to stop and get yourself a maintenance cream, something that's going to maintain that skin so you can have a healthy skin. It's not safe lightening 247. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, you're welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, you're welcome back. So there's this question that I see people asking. I've used lightening products, I've lightened my skin, I've gotten to my dream shade. How do I maintain my skin complexion? Some people go as far as asking questions like, now if I buy this product and I use it and I stop using it, am I going to go darker? Am I going to go back to my original skin tone? I'm sorry to disappoint you, darling. On this channel, we say it the way it is. We don't chew words. If you are not light skinned by birth or by nature, if God did not create you with a light skin, and then you grow up, you feel that you want to get a light skin, you go and get products to lighten up your skin. The day you stop completely using those products, you're going to go back to your original skin tone. And the worst thing is, if you don't even stop it the right way, you might go darker than you even used to be. You understand? Because your skin is going to go through a kind of shock, and then your skin is going to go darker than how it used to be. You understand what I'm trying to say? So what do you do in this video? The target of this video is to show you a product or talk to you about a product you can use to maintain your skin complexion. There are people who have used lightening products, they have gotten 1 shade lighter, 2 shades lighter. They don't want to get any more lighter, they want to maintain that complexion. It's a lot of work. Skin lightening is not worth it, honestly. It's a lot of work to maintain your skin complexion. But I'm going to, if you choose to do it, I'm going to show you or tell you what you can use. Now, there are many products in the market you can use to maintain your skin complexion. Just so many. Today I'm going to be showing you one of them. This one here, the AlPHA Arbutin Lotion. 3x plus or 3 times whatever, AlPHA Arbutin Lotion with collagen. Now, why do I go for this one? I go for this one particularly because of the collagen. You have been lightening up your skin. It means you have been thinning out your skin. And the more we age, naturally, whether you're lightening or you're not lightening, the more we age, the less collagen our bodies are able to produce. So your collagen production level basically drops the more you age. And then when you are even lightening your skin, it makes it worse because your skin is getting thinner and thinner. What's the essence of collagen? Collagen helps to give your skin elasticity. Elasticity simply means your skin becomes firm, like your skin you give some toughness to your skin, you understand? So your skin is not so fragile, you understand? So go for this product that contains AlPHA Arbutin. Now you might be wondering, AlPHA Arbutin is a lightening product, and she is saying, I want to maintain my light skin. I don't want to go any more lighter. Why is she recommending a product with AlPHA Arbutin? Yes, darling, AlPHA Arbutin is a lightening ingredient, but this particular product I'm talking to you about is made in Thailand, and Thailand products or Asian products are naturally not most times they are not as harsh as our African made products or other products, you understand? So because you're going with the Thailand product, it's milder. It contains AlPHA Arbutin, yes, but trust me, it is not very potent. If you want to use that product to lighten your skin, you are not going to get light. You are just going to get brighter, and the glow is going to be one that I can promise you. So that's why I recommend you go with that product, because it is made in the Thailand. There are other products that contain AlPHA Arbutin that are made in other countries, but I am recommending this one from the Thailand to you because it is not harsh, it is not strong, it is not potent. Like, you understand? It's going to give you a glowing skin and it's going to maintain that glow, because you cannot stop using that lightening product completely. If you stop using it completely, you are going to go dark. So you want this AlPHA Arbutin product that has collagen. Collagen is going to build your skin. It's going to give your skin some firmness, and then you're going to have an extraordinary glow, like a mind-blowing glow. That glow that people will be like, what is she using? So get the product. The product has this brand has the soap, it has a lotion, it has a serum, it even has the pills. It has a pill so that you can open that contains alpha arbutin you can open and pour in your lotion. But please, if you are somebody who wants to maintain your skin complexion, go just with the lotion and the serum. Now, if you are somebody who wants to start skin lightening, Asian products or Thailand products are products made in Asia generally. They are very good. They are not going to bleach your skin. They will almost not even give you stretch marks. They will not give you stretch marks unless you're buying the fake. If you're buying the original, I say it again, they will not give you stretch marks. But if you're buying that product that is made in one African country and then they write on it that is made in Thailand or is made in Philippines, they will destroy your skin. So if you are a beginner, you want to start, I recommend you go with Thailand products. You can try this product or try other Thailand products. They are, I trust them more than our products, honestly, if you're somebody who is concerned about safe skin brightening or skin lightening. So if you want to lighten from the beginning, you can go with the lotion, you go with the serum, you go with the soap, and then if you want to get the peel and open and add it to the lotion, you can do that because you're wanting to lighten. But if you're maintaining this, stay away from the peel because the peel is just going to make it a little bit more potent and we don't want that. How often can you use it? Now this one is really based on you, but you can start by using the maintenance cream 3 times in a week, and then the other days of the week use your lightening products. And if you're already getting your light skin, you can stop using your product 2 times in a week. Use it just 2 times in a day. Use it just once a day. So 4 nights in a week, use your lightening products, and the remaining 3 nights, the remaining 4 nights, and then 3 morning and night, like, you understand what I'm trying to say? Use your Thailand product. So use your lightening products 4 nights in a week, and the remaining period of the week, use your Thailand product, and then see how your skin is behaving. If you feel you're getting your complexion is dropping more, you increase the number of days you use your lightening product and reduce the number of days you use your maintenance product. If you feel you are still getting lighter, you increase the number of days you use your maintenance product and reduce the number of days you use your lightening product. It's that simple. You have to play around with it. So I hope this helps you. And if you are just wanting to begin lighting, you can go with a complete set. You understand? So try it and let me know how it works. If you've done it before, leave a comment below. But these are amazing tips that I'm giving you, I give to people. I have people I talk to. I'm just obsessed about skincare. So when I see people sometimes with crazy skin, I just feel like walking to them and asking them, wow, what are you using? Maybe you can try this, you understand? That's why I'm doing all these things for you. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please kindly give it a thumbs up. And if you're looking for where to shop this product, I recommend you walk into a shop. If you have a trustworthy skincare supplier, go to them and get your product from them. Because you can get them on eBay, you can get them on Amazon. But eBay especially is a place where you can really get a lot of fake products. Or if you have somebody who can buy it for you from Thailand or from Asia, any of these countries, and send it to you, Philippines, whichever country, and send it to you directly, that would be the best because they will buy the real ones. But if you get the original of this product, you cannot destroy your skin. It can only not work for you because skincare doesn't work for everybody. It can only not work for you, but to destroy your skin is not going to destroy your skin, and it's going to give you an amazing glow. Like, it's going to give you an amazing glow. So give your skin a break. Try to find maintenance cream to maintain your complexion before you start looking like a chicken that has been that was dashed into a pot of hot water. So I love you all, and I really appreciate you watching me right up to this level. If you enjoyed my video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so, and tell me what you want me to talk about on this channel next, and I will do it for you. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.